Imagine a world not too different from ours, but one where the lines between human and machine are blurring with every passing day. A world where robots don't just build cars, they express emotions, create art, and even connect directly to our thoughts. This isn't science fiction anymore. From mid-2023 to right now, the world of robotics and artificial intelligence has taken leaps so enormous, they're reshaping our society right before our eyes. We're talking about smarter AI robotics that move and learn like us, and technologies that once only lived in our wildest dreams. Today, we journey into this incredible new frontier. We'll meet the robots that are becoming almost human, explore how China is making its mark, understand the race to build truly intelligent machines responsibly, and dive into the mind-bending world of brain-computer interfaces, even iconic robots. They're getting revolutionary upgrades, but more than that, we'll ask the big questions. What does this mean for us, for our jobs, our ethics, our very future? Join us as we unpack the latest innovations in AI and robotics and try to understand where this breathtaking pace of change is taking us all. The faces of tomorrow. Meet AMECA and NEO. Our story begins with faces that look back at us with almost human understanding. Meet AMECA, a creation by Engineered Arts. AMECA isn't just a collection of wires and metal. It's a marvel of engineering, designed to connect with us on an emotional level. Its face can mirror a stunning range of human expressions, a joyful smile, a look of surprise, even a hint of empathy. This isn't just for show. Imagine a robot in customer service or even therapy that can genuinely understand and reflect your feelings. That's the world AMECA is helping to build. Then there's NEO. While AMECA masters expression, NEO, from the minds at OpenAI and 1X, is a master of learning. NEO isn't just programmed, it adapts. It learns from its surroundings, from its interactions, becoming better at understanding and responding to what we need. With advanced AI, NEO can hold conversations, sense emotions, and react to social cues. It's less about looking human and more about thinking and interacting in ways that feel like a true partner, whether in a classroom or as a personal assistant. AMECA and NEO are more than just advanced machines. They represent a new dawn where robots are learning not just to do, but to be, to understand and participate in our human experience. But this also makes us wonder, what exactly is intelligence, and what does it mean to be human when machines can reflect us so closely? Artificial artists, robots, get creative. Now hold on to your seats because it gets even more mind-bending. What if these robots could also create art? AMECA isn't just making faces, it's making drawings. Engineered Arts has collaborated with universities, letting AMECA work alongside students interpreting artistic concepts and creating its own visual pieces. Its art often blends human styles with something uniquely AMECA. This makes us ask, what is creativity if a machine can do this? And NEO? It has its own artistic flair. Using its powerful OpenAI brain, NEO can generate incredible images just from text commands. You describe a scene, a feeling, an idea, and NEO brings it to life visually. This could be an amazing tool for artists and designers, or even for anyone who wants to see their thoughts turned into pictures. But when robots create art, who is the artist? Can a machine's creation have the same soul as a human's? While these tools can make art more accessible to everyone, it also brings up tricky questions about copyright and originality. One thing is clear, the art world is about to get a very interesting new collaborator, the AI artist. Now let's travel to China, a country rapidly becoming a powerhouse in humanoid robotics. Meet X Robots, led by CEO Li Buang. Their specialty? Creating robots with faces so realistic they can mimic human expressions with astonishing accuracy. Li Buang has shown these robots expressing everything from joy to sadness, making them incredibly engaging. But these robots aren't just pretty faces, they have skills. Imagine being served a perfectly crafted latte by a smiling robot barista. EX robots can do that, showcasing incredible fine motor control. And they're not afraid of a challenge either, engaging in activities like table tennis, demonstrating agility and the ability to learn physical tasks. The idea is to integrate these robots into our daily lives, in cafes, helping patients in hospitals, or even as teaching assistants in schools. But as they become more common, we have to think, what happens to human jobs? And how do we ensure these robots help us without replacing the human connection we all need? China's progress here is impressive, but it also highlights the big societal questions we all need to discuss. The consciences of the machine, ethics, and AGI. With all this incredible power comes enormous responsibility. As AI gets smarter, there are real risks. What if AI systems are trained on biased data and make unfair decisions? What about jobs? As robots get better, many people worry about widespread job displacement. These aren't just future worries, they are challenges we need to address now. This is where companies like Sanctuary AI come in. They are working on artificial general intelligence, or AGI, that can learn and understand like a human. But they are doing it with a strong focus on ethics and safety. Their goal is to create human-like robots that can work safely alongside us. Their collaboration with tech giant Microsoft shows a commitment to making sure these powerful tools are developed responsibly. Building responsible AI isn't just about code, it's about bringing together experts in ethics, law, and social sciences. It's about setting clear rules and guidelines, promoting transparency, and making sure the public understands what's happening, so we can all have a say in how this technology shapes our world. And in control, the neural revolution. Now for something truly straight out of science fiction, connecting our brains directly to computers. Neuralink, co-founded by Elon Musk, is leading the charge here. They recently showed a live demonstration that was simply breathtaking. A patient, using only their thoughts, was able to control a computer. They navigated, typed, interacted, all powered by their mind thanks to tiny electrodes implanted by Neuralink. Think about what this means, especially for people with severe disabilities. For someone who has lost the ability to move or speak, BCIs could offer a new way to communicate, to control their environment, to regain independence. It could allow them to control advanced prosthetic limbs with the same ease as their natural ones. The potential to improve lives is immense. This incredible power also brings profound ethical questions. If we can read thoughts, what about privacy? Could our very minds be hacked or manipulated? And if this technology becomes common, will it be available to everyone, or will it create an even bigger gap between the rich and the poor? Neuralink's work is revolutionary, but it forces us to think very carefully about the future of being human. Atlas Unleashed, the robot super athlete. If you follow robotics, you know Boston Dynamics and their incredible Atlas robot. For years, Atlas, powered by noisy hydraulics, amazed us with its abilities. But now get ready for a game changer, the new electric Atlas. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total redesign. By switching from hydraulics to electric systems, Atlas is now lighter, stronger, more precise, and quieter. And its movements, they are out of this world. Look at it go. It can twist and turn its body in ways that seem impossible even for humans. It's more agile, can perform intricate tasks with greater precision, and can interact with its environment and people more effectively than ever before. This new Atlas isn't just a research project, it's being designed for real-world work. In factories, warehouses, construction sites, maybe even in disaster relief. The electric Atlas sets a new benchmark for what humanoid robots can achieve, pushing the entire industry forward. But again, as robots like Atlas become this capable, we have to keep discussing their role in the workforce and society. Conclusion. So, from robots that can show human emotion and create art, to new designs that can work alongside us, to technology that can link our minds to machines, the world of AI and robotics is changing at a dizzying speed. These aren't just machines, they are reflections of our ingenuity, our ambition, and, perhaps, our future selves. The journey is just beginning, but it's a journey we all need to be part of. The ethical questions, the societal impact, the sheer wonder of it all, these are conversations we need to have. What excites you most about these advancements? And what are your biggest concerns? We genuinely want to hear your thoughts. Share your ideas in the comments section below. If you found this journey into the future as fascinating as we did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the amazing world of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.